we shall discuss on graph of a modulus function. The modulus function is defined as this one. Y is equal to fx. Say this is equal to modulus of x. Friends, mod x is equal to either plus x or 0 or minus x. Plus x when x is greater than 0, and mod x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Mod x is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Friends, we shall study the domain of this modulus function. This is actually the domain. We draw a real line. This is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Let us consider that this is the point x is equal to 0. Okay. So we get two other zones, respectively this one and that one. This is for x is greater than 0 and this one is for x is less than 0, and this point is actually x is equal to 0. So actually we are getting x belongs to R, that is the set of real numbers. Now one by one we shall study and shall draw the modulus function. Friends, when x is greater than 0, then what will happen? We can take some points, say x, y. We consider say x is equal to 1. 1 is more than 0. X is greater than 0. 1 is more than 0. So since fx, that is y, is equal to x, for this y will be 1. So if we take x is equal to 2, then y will be 2. If we take x is equal to 3, then y will be 3. This is only for x is greater than 0. Okay, this is for x is greater than 0. Now we shall draw the graph. Friends, see the graph. This is x-axis, this one is y-axis, origin. Now x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, that is the point is 1, 1, next point is 2, 2, and third one is 3, 3. So this is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. You can join these points so that you will get a straight line, and you can't get below this origin because you have x is greater than 0. So you can't get to left side of this y-axis. Okay. Now we shall take the other points for x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, then you will find some other points, respectively. Say when x is equal to 1, then what will be y? Y is equal to, y is equal to minus x. So when x is equal to 1, then y will be minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. That is, this is for x is equal to minus 1. Extremely sorry. For x is equal to minus 1, we get y is equal to plus 1. So for x is equal to minus 2, we shall get y is equal to plus 2. For x is equal to minus 3, we get y is equal to plus 3. Why? Because y is equal to minus x and the domain is x is less than 0. So we can write here, this is only for x is less than 0. Okay, this is for x is less than 0. Now we draw the graph. The points are respectively chosen minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3. So this is like this, minus 1, 1. So this is the point. Similarly, minus 2, 2, and minus 3, 3. So join these points. You will get a straight line. Okay. Up to this one, you can't get this straight line will be extended to right side of y-axis. This cannot be happened because x is less than 0. Okay. So friend, another thing is very important. Here you see that this function f(x), that is mod x, is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So we can include this point also. So this red line will come up to this portion, that is at the origin, and this one also at the origin. So the curve or the graph is continuous. In any way you can't get any gap in this graph. So this is the modulus function, and this is the graph of this modulus function. Now we shall discuss various types of examples of modulus function. Let us consider that say one graph we are choosing for y is equal to modulus x plus 1. How shall we draw this one? Y is equal to modulus x plus 1. Okay, this is very simple, friend. See that this is the x-axis, this one is y-axis. Okay, y-axis and x-axis, origin O. Now if we want to draw y is equal to mod x, actually if you split it, you will find one function is y is equal to mod x, another one is y is equal to mod x plus 1. So first of all we shall draw y is equal to mod x. What is y is equal to mod x? Earlier I discussed. This is, the curve is like this one. This is y is equal to mod x. This line is making 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, and this line is making 135 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So this is y is equal to mod x. This one is y is equal to mod x. Now when we want to try to draw y is equal to modulus x plus 1, then this given curve, that is y is equal to mod x, will be shifted upward 1 unit. So the curve will be now looked like this one. Yes, this one is y is equal to mod x plus 1. Okay friend, this red graph is y is equal to mod x plus 1. Next we want to draw another graph. Say the graph is for modulus of, y is equal to modulus x minus 1. Okay, so again we find that there are several points. Y is equal to mod x, next one is y is equal to mod x minus 1. So we draw the graph, x-axis, y-axis. What will be y is equal to mod x? First of all draw this one, this is very important. Y is equal to mod x. This is y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x. Now we want to draw y is equal to mod x minus 1. So these y is equal to mod x will be shifted 1 unit downwards. Okay, so the graph will be like this one. Yes, this is y is equal to mod x minus 1. Y is equal to mod x minus 1. Now we want to draw another curve, say for y is equal to modulus of x minus 1. Friends, this is interesting graph. This is an interesting graph. How to draw this one? First of all, you find which one is y is equal to mod x, then you find y is equal to modulus of whole modulus of x minus 1. So I am drawing the graph of y is equal to modulus of x. This is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So y is equal to mod x is this one. Okay, y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x. Next, y is equal to whole modulus of x minus 1. So here you will find that this y is equal to modulus x graph will be shifted 1 unit right side of this y-axis. So it will be looked like this one. Okay, so this is y is equal to modulus of x minus 1. Clear? Next, we want to draw another graph of y is equal to whole modulus of x plus 1. Similarly, we draw another graph. Here this is x-axis, y-axis, origin, and you know friend, y is equal to mod x. What will be it? This is y is equal to mod x. Now you have to draw y is equal to whole modulus of x plus 1. How to draw? Y is equal to whole modulus of x plus 1 will be shifted now one unit left to the y is equal to mod x. So this will be looked like this one. This is y is equal to whole modulus of x plus 1, and the previous one was y is equal to only mod x. Okay, this is y is equal to mod x, and this one, that is the red marked graph, is y is equal to whole modulus of x plus 1. Next we want to draw another graph. This is also another interesting graph. Friends, the graph is for y is equal to minus mod x. How do we draw y is equal to minus of modulus x? First of all, you draw y is equal to modulus x, then you find the graph of y is equal to minus of modulus x. So friends, this is also interesting graph. What is y is equal to mod x? Origin. This is y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x. Now when you want to draw y is equal to minus of modulus of x, then the given curve, that is y is equal to mod x, will be just flipped with respect to the x-axis. So it will be looked like this one. Now this curve is, that is the blue marked curve or the graph, blue marked graph is for y is equal to minus of mod x. Am I clear? And the last but not the least graph I shall now draw. This is, say, for y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. The function is this one, y is equal to whole modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. First of all friends, you draw modulus x, next you draw modulus of x plus 2, finally you can get the graph of the function modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. So first of all I draw step by step. First of all I draw the graph of y is equal to mod x. Okay, this one is y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x, x-axis, y-axis, origin. This is the curve for, or this is the graph for y is equal to modulus x. Now friends, tell me, what will be the graph of y is equal to modulus of x plus 2? Y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 will be shifted 2 units left to y is equal to mod x. So it will be looked like this one. Okay, this is y is equal to modulus of x plus 2. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 2. This is just shifted 2 units left to the previous curve, previous graph, y is equal to mod x. Now you have to draw finally the graph of y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. So simple, you have the graph of y is equal to modulus of x plus 2. Now you are drawing the graph of y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. That means this red marked graph will be shifted 1 unit below this red marked graph. So it will be looked like this one. Okay, yes, this one. This is y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. This gray colored graph is for y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.